Hello students, from today we will start our term 2 syllabus from your unit 5. So firstly, we will discuss about fiction and non-fiction in this video. Here we have two columns, one is of fiction and another one is about non-fiction. So fiction refers to plot, setting and characters created from the imagination. And we read or watch this material for fun. For example, a book about a cat that talks or a cartoon on TV. So these are imaginary characters, imaginary stories written by a writer. And non-fiction refers to the factual stories that are based on real people and true events. We read or watch this material for information. Here are some examples like a book about animal life cycle and a documentary on TV. So students, here we have two pictures. One is about real people and events and second one is created to inform and inspire readers. This story is about Malala Yousafzai. So this is a kind of non-fiction because these are related to real people, real events and right to just to inspire the readers. Many examples are about non-fiction like recipe cards, history books, essay writings. All these are related to fictions because they are related to real events. As we know that a newspaper is also a kind of non-fiction because in a newspaper we find weather reports, crossword, news reports on local, national and international current events, life of cinemas and life of celebrities, advertisements, comics and so on. But here the question is what is the purpose to read a newspaper? So students, if we read any kind of text we must know the purpose of reading a text. So here purpose of reading a newspaper or news report is the major purpose of reading a news report is to get information about what is happening both locally and around the world. Being aware of current affairs will also help us to excel in different competitive exams. So we read newspaper to stay informed us what is happening around us, or it also tell us about the world which changes on daily basis. So a newspaper give us a lot of information about the whole world. So the information that we get from a newspaper report can be in different types. It focuses on 6 Ws. So first one is who. A newspaper kind us about the event, who was involved, means in event who is involved, what happened. Next is when it happened and where it happened. It also include why and how. No doubt how is not related to W or not started to W, but it is a part of information which we are looking for. So why did it happen and how did it happen? These are under investigations information, but who, what, when and where it is clearly included in a newspaper or news report. So here we have the information about news articles. So students, a news article is little bit different from a news report. So a news report is related to a person or events, but it highlights the major news. For example, if we are talking about GDP which is falling down during this period, so if we write it as a news report, we can just write that GDP is falling down at this point. But in a news article we particularly describe what GDP is and how it increases and how it is falling down. So unlike a news report, a news article is written on a particular topic or subject, and the main purpose of reading it is to get information about the specific topic or subject, means all about the particular topic. When we read about a particular topic in a large description, this is called a news article. So here are some text features. Whenever we want to write an article, so we will use these text feature to preview the news articles that we will be reading. So first one is subheading, second one is byline, bold print, headline, photographic, caption and graphs or map or labels. So this picture show us the clear structure of features. First one is byline. Byline is firstly we will write headlines for rain in India in 2019 is our headlines. It states the title of the news report or a article. After that, bylines state with the name of the writer. Here Arshad Khan is the name of the writer and this is a byline. After that, subheading supports the heading of given additional information. So subheading is states with extreme rainfall, so it is related to rainfall in India but with the additional information that states with extreme rainfall is our subheading. After that, bold print. Bold print, the highlighted word are bold prints. Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and Maharashtra. It shows the important word. Photographs. So here we have a clear photograph of the place. So this give a quick information about the place where the events is happening. So it you can say that it can describe a lot which we can't describe in word. By seeing a picture we can easily understand what is going on. After that, graph, maps or tables. So graph, maps are also present key point visually. So visually we can find where this thing is happening. After that, caption. Caption is a summary of photograph, like waterlogging in MP. So this is about what is the picture show. This is called caption. It explains what a photograph or illustrate is about. So students, here we have 5 steps if we want to write or read an article. Step 1 is read the headline of the news report article carefully. Step 2, think what could this news report article be about. And step 3, look at the photos and read their captions. Step 4, pay close attention to the subheadings and the word in bold. And step 5, read the first line of each paragraph and think of possible questions they could answer. So an article gives us a large information about a particular topic. So this is all about your articles and purpose of write a newspaper or read a newspaper or news article. Thank you.